What's going on, guys? Crypto Cheddar back with another one. Hit the like, subscribe. You guys felt like I left y'all hanging. You know I ain't mean to, but we got a lot to talk about, so let's get started. All right, Shiba Inu, guys. Last time I posted a video, I made a few. I didn't even bother posting them because what I realized was that sometimes when momentum is paused, there's nothing you could do about it. And as many people as I told about it, I was like, dang, maybe telling people about it ain't such a good idea, you know what I mean? But I don't know. I want everybody to get some money, but I'm going to explain why I say that. All right, the more demand there is for something, the first night I bought Sheepcoin, my money tripled overnight. And growth, that much volatility, there's stop protections. And that money's got to come from somewhere, but it came in. It was there. But what happened was you had Mr. Vitalik, whatever his name is, he decides to pull $1.5 billion off of it. Boom, just like that. But also what happened? Then China tightened down on their regulations against institutions as far as dealing with cryptocurrencies. You've seen a lot of movement, a lot of money moving. All right. The whole time, yeah, you got retail investors that run and got scared, but not many. The risk to reward volume is too great. All right. The risk to reward volume is way too great. All right. So now, on top of that, what else you got going on? A lot of these trading platforms, have problems going on. And a lot of the issues are stemming from back on the 8th. All right. Bear with me now. Back on May the 8th, Elon Musk made the appearance on Saturday Night Live. All right. At the same time he made this appearance on Saturday Night Live, you had the whales pulling their money out of Dogecoin. Okay. Dogecoin wasn't crashing. The retail investor was buying, and the institution were selling off what they've been deeply invested in since the beginning. See, it's all smoke and mirrors. Can you see through them? That's the question. The point of me making these videos is I'm just giving my outlook on the market and what's going on with things, okay? And what I see, what my outlook on it is right now is that there's a lot, the transference of wealth is real, okay? Just today, I think that the man from Melvin Capital, I think from Citadel lost like 400 million a day so far already. Now, all of this is on paper. The people that got the money, do they have it? No. Is their shares valued at this? Yes. That's, there's a lot of excitement. People go out, chase after stuff like this. You don't get the real facts and you end up getting hurt. You end up getting harmed. Okay? So, now, back to Shiba Inu. The whole market crashed as far as Bitcoin going from 60, looking like it's headed to 70,000 and dropping back down to 38, 36, 35,000. That is crashing. That is over 50%. That's almost 50% loss, 48% loss. All right. You had the same thing happen across the board. One that did fall, but it didn't fall as hard as the others, Shiba Inu. Okay. Shiba Inu, yes, I lost the gains that I had initially made, bought and sold a little, and I'm still up from where I first got in at, but I re-entered in. Okay, so 9 is where we're at now. That's what we're looking at. All right, in the next 3 days, we're going to be doing a lot of bouncing. We're going to be touching 12. We're going to be going back to 7. Okay, don't get scared. Hold on. Listen, this is the type of investment that you get and you don't worry about. Okay, the next issue I'm going to talk about is these trading platforms. Right now I'm having issues with Crypto.com on the 8th. Let me get back to that. On the 8th of May, I made a purchase. 700 Dogecoins. I'm already holding some, but I was like, hey, let me buy 700 more. My daily spending limit on my debit card is like $500, so I was like, I'm gonna just spend it and I'm gonna buy this Dogecoin and see what happens. So what happened with that was the transaction went through because the money came off of my card, okay? But what happened was the coins did not show up in my crypto wallet. So the transaction wasn't showing in my transaction history. So therefore I reached out to the support at Crypto.com. Okay. Crypto.com, they say, now I've been reaching out to them and they've gotten back to me, and I've talked to them through Twitter and other channels, and they're dealing with increasingly high demand. Okay. Therefore, their team, I think they've got about a team of 700 working out of Hong Kong. Then other people, but they've got like about 10 million users right now. They're up about 5 million users from where they've been normally at with all this craze of the cryptocurrency. So what happened with my situation was I reached out to my bank, and my bank initiated a stop pay. Okay. And the stop pay got their attention, but it also got my account restricted. So once my account was restricted and they reached out to me, and by my understanding of the messages, I was gonna get some kind of understanding about the grievance I had with the initial purchase. Therefore, I reached out to my bank and got the cancellation of the stop pay. Okay. So after uploading that, it's been about 4 days. I've been bugging the hell out of them because there's been a lot going on. I seen a good up. I probably would have took a little profit on. It's all about seeing where the resistance and support is. Trying to, whether you're trying to swing trade it, or like I said, if it's long term, you just buy that thing and forget about it. But if you're dealing with the same things with these trading platforms, just realize that the demand for cryptocurrencies has never been higher. The perceived value in the infrastructure of the crypto world is never been seen as so high as it is now. So you just have to weather the storm and don't get discouraged. Don't get scared away by this, because it's going to be rough. If there's a lot of money to be made, they don't want us here. The regular people, they do not want us here. Okay? So therefore, we're going to be having a fight to be here. You know what I mean? You're going to go through some stuff. Right now, I'm still waiting to hear back from the Crypto.com team so I can get back access to my wallet. What's going on with the account restriction? How you will know if your account is restricted. Okay? I can see the value of my wallet. Okay? My money's in there. My coins are there somewhere, but I don't have access. I can't see how many coins I have. All I can see is my percentage gain and loss. Okay? The app's still functioning. I can still track coins. I can still do all of that. But as far as right now, I am locked out of my wallet. The issue is pending with their team. And I'll be having some information for you guys as soon as I find out something. I'll let you guys know. But like I said, don't worry. There's other ways to purchase Shiba Inu other than Crypto.com. I'm not going to be exploring those options, though. I'm going to be waiting for Crypto.com to get it right. And like I said, I'm still holding 50 million Shiba Inu coins, roughly, give or take a few. And I missed out on this dip, man. I'm so disappointed. But to anybody who was able to get that good entry point, about 7, right now you're if you was at 0.000007, you're looking pretty good right now already. So you guys just hold strong and prosper. You know what I mean? Like I said, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting up more videos. I'll be catching up. Not to leave you guys hanging, but it's been a lot going on. It's been a lot going on for me. All right.